Does the idea of renovating a kitchen make you feel stressed, anxious, and you have no idea where to start? There's just so many different decisions to be made and so much stress involved. What if we told you that there was a way to make the renovation process stress free, simplified, and to fit a budget of under $25,000? It's called our Streamline Projects, and it's a game changer for your next renovation. Streamline Projects are designed for people who want to get their renovation done without all the drama and added stress. Here's why they're perfect for you. Number one, efficiency. We don't mess around. The whole process is designed to be quick and straightforward, so your kitchen gets done on time. No delays, no excuses. Number two, clarity. Renovations can be overwhelming, right? Too many options, too many decisions. With our Streamline Projects, we cut through the noise and give you a clear, simple process to follow. Number three, investment friendly. If you've got a budget of up to $25,000, this is just the thing for you. You'll know exactly what you're spending from the start. No hidden costs, no surprises. And number four, minimal stress. By limiting the options and streamlining the decisions, we take the pressure off your shoulders. You can trust us to handle the details while you just sit back and relax. We created Streamline Projects because we kept seeing people get overwhelmed by the renovation process as a whole. Too many choices, too much stress. It just didn't need to be that hard. So we simplified it. Now you get a great kitchen on budget with way less hassle. So if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen without the headaches, Streamline Projects are the way to go. Hit the link below to learn more and let's make it happen.